sun shines bright over happy little pond, where animals love to dance and play. A cheerful duck taps a rainbow xylophone quack, quack. Frog, ribbit, and hop on lily pads. Turtle tap their feet. In this adventure, we will meet fireflies that twinkle in the night, dragonflies zipping through the air, beavers building their wooden dams, and otters sliding into water with a splash. Let's join the animals on their magical happy journey.
The ducks go paddling in the pond, quack, quack, quack. The ducks go paddling in the pond, quack, quack, quack. They flap their wings and dive below. They wiggle their tails and off they go. And they all go paddling, glide, glide, glide through the pond so wide. The frogs go hopping on the bank, ribbit, ribbit. The frogs go hopping on the bank, ribbit, ribbit. They leap so high then splash back in. They croak a tune and start again. And they all go hopping, jump, 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 with a great big thump. The fish go swishing through the reeds, swish, swish. The fish go swishing through the reeds, swish, swish. They dart and spin, they twist and glide. They play in ripples far and wide. And they all go swishing, zip, zip, zoom, through the water's bloom. The turtles waddle through the sand, slow, slow. The turtles waddle through the sand, slow, slow. They stretch their necks and blink their eyes, then slide into the pond with sighs. And they all go swimming, plop, 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 till they reach the top. The dragonflies go zipping past, zoom, zoom. The dragonflies go zipping past, zoom, zoom. They flick their wings and twirl in air. They dance in circles everywhere. And they all go zipping, buzz, 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 with a little fuss. The beavers build their dam so tall, smack, smack. The beavers build their dam so tall, smack, smack. They chew the logs and stack them tight, then slap their tails with all their might. And they all keep building, chomp, 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 till the dam goes thump. The herons tiptoe in the reeds, step, step. The herons tiptoe in the reeds, step, step. They watch the fish and strike so fast, then spread their wings and fly right past. And they all go soaring, flap, 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 with a graceful snap. The otters slide down through the stream, whee, whee. The otters slide down through the stream, whee, whee. They splash and play, they twist around. They chase each other up and down. And they all keep sliding, swoosh, 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 with a happy whoosh. The crickets chirp as night falls near, chirp, chirp. The crickets chirp as night falls near, chirp, chirp. They rub their wings and sing so bright, a lullaby for the quiet night. And they all keep singing, tweet, 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 till they're fast asleep. The fireflies glow in twilight's hue, blink, blink. The fireflies glow in twilight's hue, blink, blink. They flicker bright like tiny stars. They twirl and dance both near and far. And they all keep glowing, shine, 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 in a sparkling line.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe MN Kids TV.
Thank you. Bye bye.